What's up mga boys? Morning, good morning. Ah, medyo kapon, yung swerte kita, no? Umalis na pogi, bumalik na pogi. So, featuring yung ating 7 months to 8 months na stag. So, favorite line natin yung Golden Boy saka McLean Hatch. Okay, so may nagsabi na nasa mga bantam daw, no? Bantam daw ang aton chicken. I'm a believer of kay Idol Paing Araneta. He used to have chickens like medium to medium high. Yung na-observe ko na performance kahapon, yung medium high na length, na height can really cut well. Personal views ko lang naman yan. May mga nokis din ako na nasa high stations. Walang problema doon kasi we can reach. However, sabi nga ni Idol Paing, chicken who has medium or medium high station can cut well in the sense na pa-circle kasi yung galaw ng nokis, no. So the strength comes from the wings up to the neck. Yun ang explanation niya, which I found in my chickens also. The ability to cut well because of this medium to high station. Kaya lang, syempre, dahil nagko-commercial tayo, may mga friends talaga tayo na naghahanap ng nasa high station. Mayroon tayong si Skywalker. What I did is gift natin yun kay friend natin si Paring Bamboo for his breeding also. So we use chickens in high station for breeding, but there are instances din na ginagamit din natin siya for competitions. But most of my chickens has medium to medium high station. Of course, for our chicken, dahil they perform well, although we have one loss, sayang yung ating straight McLean, straight comb. So hindi siya pinalad, no? But the same, performance-wise, maganda yung pinakita niya. Yun, nakahabol tayo mga boys sa December, no? 2025 nakahabol tayo. So the next will be next year, December again, 2026. So once a year na lang tayo dahil gusto din natin makita yung binibig natin ng mga nokis para at least magarantiyan natin that whoever comes in to get our breeding lines has a guarantee of performance. Hindi natin ginagaranti yung panalo, but what we can guarantee is yung performance. So unscathed siya except for very minor na na-cut dito sa leg. Yan lang yung niya, but he really cut well. Okay, so that's it muna mga boys. Happy New Year. Bye! Yung winner din natin na white. Minor scratch lang siya. Sa lang niya? Sa bandang tuhod niya or sa kuko. Yan lang. Yung 2 years old natin na imported line from Kate Cargel. But the same, pa din yan. Golden Boy pa din yung father niya. Yan may tapya sa niya. Sa right batok. Yan. Okay.